Hi, welcome to this Pen Publishing Interactive video. In this video, I'm going to show you where to find support resources on all the various digital platforms for pen publishing. So let's get started. So the first support area that I'm going to show you is if you go to penpublishing.com and you click support, this will take you to our knowledge base. When you get to the knowledge base, you'll be able to find resources and how-tos on the various products and services that we provide. So for instance, if you have a pen publishing account and you're looking for resources for Plesk, which is the hosting control panel that we use for your website, you can go on here and you can learn things such as how to add a subdomain in Plesk, how to change the PHP version of your website, how to create a database and database user, etc. So again, if you just go to penpublishing.com, you can click support and it's going to take you to the knowledge base. Now in the knowledge base, I'm using Plesk here as an example, but we have other categories such as Microsoft Office 365. So if you use those products and need to learn how to, for instance, download and install or reinstall Office 365 on your PC, we have, an article about that in a video as well. So that's one way to find information on resources for support on, again, the various products that we offer. Another place, if you are using FlipperSD CMS for your website and want to know more of the features or just learn some of the things that it can do, you can go to penpublishing.com and then we have FlipperSD CMS tab, and then you'll see the FlipperSD features blog. When you click on that, you'll get a list of all the blog posts we have that show you how to use some of the features in FlipperSD. And all of these have a video component to them, so you'll be able to walk yourself through some of these. So if you have someone that helps you with the website, or you yourself are trying to get informed on some of the features, this is the place to go for FlipperSD how-tos and resources. Now, if you're watching this video, you're more than likely watching it on YouTube or through our YouTube channel. So we also invite you to subscribe to our channel, and the reasons for that is as we put more of these videos out, if you subscribe, you'll get notified as soon as we publish. So on here you'll be able to find all the videos that we have uploaded to YouTube, which include FlipperSD CMS tutorials, Office 365 tutorials, some website basics, and as you can see, there's just lots and lots to learn here, and just a good resource for you and your team to just have available to get the most out of your plans and services that you have with pen publishing. And if you don't have a plan with pen publishing, this is a great way for you to see what we offer and what you can do with some of the tools that we provide our partners here. The other thing you can see is that we have playlists. So if you're trying to learn more about FlipperSD, this playlist contains all the videos related to FlipperSD features, Plesk tutorials, WordPress tutorials, Office 365 tutorials, etc. So again, you can just go to get here, you can just go on our website at penpublishing.com. You can hit the little icon, the YouTube icon here at the top, which will take you to this featured page. And again, just hit the subscribe button and you will get subscribed, and you will be notified as soon as we publish a new video such as the one you're watching currently. Well, again, that's everything for this video. Hope it's been beneficial. If you want to learn more about other services and other products that we offer, please visit us at penpublishing.com. If you're on Facebook and Twitter, you can follow and like us there. And please, like I mentioned in this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get the latest and greatest as soon as we publish these videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time.